We're here for the back to school splash bash. So we have this event once a year when the kids are going back to school to be sure they're coming back to school a little happy, with a little excitement going on in their lives. Family event, of course, going on from right now till 9 p.m. tonight. We'll be here, so hopefully the families can come out here, enjoy themselves, enjoy the pool, refreshments. There's Cokes, waters, Kona Ice is out here also, and I think we've got the food out here as well. It's important because it brings families together, it brings children together. So being family oriented, it's very important to me. I think it's important to have families together. Being able to organize these types of events is important because it brings everybody together. And that's really important for our community, important for Laredo, important for the city of Laredo, because we're a family oriented community, we always have been, and we want to keep that going here in Laredo.
Traje a mis niños de 7 años que van a empezar la escuela, va a segundo grado. Pues lo que estoy viendo es las resbaladillas que le gustan mucho. Es importante para que los niños tengan algo que hacer y para que se puedan refrescar en el agua, que pues aquí siempre hace mucho calor. No, pues nomás decirle gracias a la ciudad por tener este evento, está muy bien para todos, yo pienso.
Hopefully the families come out here, enjoy themselves. It's a great time. Great music out here, great DJ. So come out here, enjoy yourselves. We hope to see you soon.